Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the game closed and a backup. Navigate to the Fortnite install, Fortnite game /saved /config /Windows client or Windows engine. Ini. Once there, make a copy of engine. Ini or the entire Windows client folder so you can revert if needed. You do this because direct edits change startup behavior. Without a backup, you risk corrupting settings. Now open the engine. Ini in a plain text editor. You will add a precise line to force DirectX 11 and prevent DirectX 12 from being selected. You will change engine level settings to instruct Unreal to use DirectX 11. Once the file is open, find or add the section /script/Windows Target Platform. Windows Target Settings. Then add default graphics RHI equals default graphics RHI DX11, and to block DirectX 12, add be allow D3D12 equals false in the same file. Make sure to save, because the game reads these values at startup. Editing here forces the renderer choice without launching Fortnite first. Finally, double-check there are no typos and that the file remained readable. Now you finish by launching Fortnite via the Epic Games launcher. The game reads the edited engine. Ini and will prefer DirectX 11. If you encounter a crash, black screen, or performance regression, immediately restore your backup copy of engine. Ini and try again. Once done, you can also clear the shader cache or run Epic's verify integrity to regenerate files. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, confirm the exact config path you edited matches the active install, and that the launcher isn't overriding your file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.